Well guys, I recently made a video on how to tie the Carolina rig, and at the time I made that video I didn't have any actual footage to show, so I recently went out to the farm pond and I went out and caught about 3 little old bass, and I thought I'd quickly show you actually how I fish this, and I will also at the end I'm going to put a link on exactly how to tie this. Now what a Carolina rig is, it's a weight, it's a leader, and a hook and a piece of plastic. The leader is usually 18 inches to 2 foot. And today I'm going to be fishing with a pumpkin seed lizard. Now, the way I like to fish this is I like to cast it out, and you'll notice this in the video, and I like to lift my pole slow and let it drop. And then I lift it slowly and I let it drop, and occasionally I'll just swim it. And the idea is, on the Carolina rig, this weight will go down on the bottom and the actual plastic will just kind of flop in behind it. Texas rig, it's a little bit different, and I'm going to have a link to all my videos, especially all my fishing videos at the end. So if you want to know how to tie the Texas rig, check out the playlist on my fishing videos, and I will have a video there on how to tie the Texas rig. But hey, let's go down to the pond and I'll show you some footage on how I actually fish this. Here we go. What do you hear? Oh yeah. Nice little bass right there. Now, wasn't doing very good on my spinner baits today, so I took and put on a pumpkin seed colored lizard. Caught that little one. That's not a bad farm pond bass right there. Now, let you go, we'll catch you again. There we go. Oh, I felt that one hit, and he kind of pecked, then he took it. I don't think he's quite as big as the last one, but hey, it's hot, summer. I'll take whatever I can get right now. Ooh, he's fat though. Look at that. All right, probably a she. Anyway, let's let her go. Oh, I felt him, but it didn't get it. Get back out there and see if I can get it. Got one There he is. Oh, it's a little one. Across his eyes. Oh, I felt him peck. Oh well, hey, man, he hit it. Knocked my lizard all the way to the top. A nice to see little bass like that in here though, because if I got bass in here like this, that means they're reproducing. Well guys, I hope this helped you out, and I hope you learned a little something today. Hey, if you fish it different or you got a different technique, hey, by all means, leave me a comment. I'm always willing to learn and try new things. So hopefully this entertained you a little bit today. If it did, please give me a thumbs up. So please subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I will catch you later, and maybe I'll see you at the pond.